What is the largest country in the world? Russia. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. What is the highest mountain in Africa? Mount Kilimanjaro. What is the largest continent in the world? Asia. What is the most common element in the universe? Hydrogen. What is the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. What is the most venomous snake? Black mamba. What is the largest ocean fish? Whale shark. What is the longest river in the world? Nile River. What is the largest rainforest in the world? Amazon rainforest. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus. What is the largest ocean trench in the world? Mariana Trench. What is the largest active volcano on Earth? Mauna Loa. What is the highest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls.